Hi friends, welcome to Tamil Mikis channel. In this video, we'll ask our expert about last 30 days examination strategy for GATE exams, whether we can focus for new topics or how to revise, practice, etc. Let us get an answer from our expert. Before going to this video, please like, share and subscribe our Tamil Mikis channel.
So guys, like if you are preparing for GATE 2021, uh, like roughly we have 30, 36, 37 days remaining. We have our exam on 14th February, which is for mechanical. So you have roughly around 37, 38 days which are available to you. You can divide these 38 days into two sections. One could be the last 15 days and the remaining is the first 23 days. Okay, so you can divide 23 days and 15 days. In last 15 days, you should have one complete revision of all the subjects. 15 days, one complete revision. At that time, you are not going to solve any numerical. You are going to read the theory. You are going to revise your subject. You are going to read the numericals that you think are really good that you have solved previously. So read the numericals. Don't solve the numericals. Okay, just read it so that you know what is the process of solving a numerical. So that is the one complete revision that you should do in the last 15 days. And in these 23 days which are remaining, so starting from today till maybe 25th of January, in these 15 days, you should divide the full day into two sections. One is where you will focus only on the revision. So let's say 5 to 6 hours you are devoting for the revision, and remaining 5 to 6 hours try to solve numericals and try to give the full length test. You might be having some test series, so try to give full length test so that you get an idea as what is the score that you are scoring, and also you can get a feel about how the exam or how the paper should be attempted, and what are the mistakes that you are committing in the exam which you should not do. Okay, so in these 23 days, maybe try to give 10 to 15 full length tests and then analyze those tests. By the analysis, what I mean is you have to see what was the percentage of syllabus that you could attempt the paper. So let's say you covered 80 to 90% of the syllabus. Out of those 80 to 90%, what is the score that you have got? So let's say out of those 80% syllabus which you can attempt, you have scored 60%. So that means that is a good score. So the remaining 20% where you made mistakes, which is the portion where you made mistake? Either those are silly mistakes or you don't know the concept. Okay, so if those are silly mistakes, try to rectify those silly mistakes so that you can improve your score. And if the mistakes are because of concept, then in the remaining 6 hours which you are going to use for revision, try to read the concept again for the questions which you attempted wrong. Okay, so that if there is a question in the exam on those topics, probably you will not commit any mistake. Okay, so the last maybe 35, 36 days can be divided into the 15 days and then remaining 20 to 23 days. In the 15 days last, keep only full revision where you revise everything. Whatever you have studied, you revise only. And in these 23 days, try to solve 10 to 15 full length tests and then remaining 6 hours for your revision of the subject.